We're tasting the new Lay's flavors. We have New York Reuben, something Euro, French fry, or truffle fry, and
biscuits and gravy.
Gravy.
What do we think's the worst one's gonna be?
The worst one is gonna be
I think
Euro
this is gonna be
gravy.
Euro.
I think
I think we should
French
start
fry.
truffle fry. Should I say sour cream and onion?
Yeah. With
Every
less-
time.
It's like less strong than sour cream and onion.
4 out of 5 for me.
4 out of 5 what?
golden burgers.
Sauce. Alright, next let's do the Reuben. Because I think that one's gonna be the second worst.
I don't know what a Reuben is to begin with.
I know a
it's
boy
corned
named Reuben.
beef, I believe.
Ew.
I'm not sure.
My almost just tastes like bread.
You know what it tastes like?
It's like meat.
No, it tastes like Arby's. They're beef sandwiches. Like Arby's and that's shit.
That tastes like meat.
It tastes like meat. Straight meat.
Yep.
New York.
It's weird.
You think?
You know like those budded beef things that we used to eat as like snacks? That's what this tastes like. I would do 2 out of 5.
I would say like 2.5 or 3.
I say 2.5.
2.5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get some gravy. Smell is like gravy. Smells like Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Alright, ready to go.
Tastes like stuffing.
No, it tastes like stuffing.
This one,
I said 3.
3? I'll go with 3.
Truffle fries, you're still killing it though.
Killing it!
Euros.
I love Euros.
I've never had a gyro.
Smells like grass.
It smells kind of like cat food.
Yeah.
Like the dry kind, not the
The,
wet
the
kind.
classic.
Okay.
Nope.
It's not good.
What the?
Daniel, have you ever had a gyro? Does it taste like Joe's?
I haven't had a euro in a long time. It tastes like
Maybe if you put it in a blender and
lettuce.
dry. No, it doesn't taste like lettuce. Okay, I would rate that a 1 out
A
of
1
5.
out of 5 for sure.
It doesn't deserve
For
a
sure.
0, but it's a definite 1.
Do you think truffle fries are healthier than truffle fries?
You
These
just
truffle
asked a
fries.
question. Stinky socks are 2 to 3.